How to update Shopify Dawn theme. To get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Shopify on your device and sign into your account. Once you're signed in to your Shopify account, go ahead and head over to the online store section. Since under the online store section, you'll be able to find the themes section. So head over to the themes section. Now, as you can see in here, below the theme name or the current theme, you'll be able to find your version of the theme. So once you click on this Dawn version 15.1.0, you'll be able to find that this theme is up to date, that this theme is the latest version of the Dawn theme. Now, if you happen to have the outdated version, what you can do is to click on the Add Theme button and click on Visit Theme Store. Now, on the Theme Store, you'll be able to use the search icon. Go ahead and click on the search icon and search for Dawn. Now on the results page, you'll be able to find the Dawn theme as the first result for this page. Now in here, what you can do if your Dawn theme is outdated is to click on the Try Theme button to be able to incorporate the new Dawn theme to your Shopify online store.